Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of products that can make a real difference in your life. Today, we've got something special for you. The Bronson Milk Thistle Silymarin Marianum and Dandelion Root Liver Health Support. Stick around because you're about to discover why this might just be the best milk thistle supplement available in the market.
But before we dive into the details,
don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell,
so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Now, let's get right into it.
If you're looking to boost your liver health, detox your body, and enjoy the benefits of a powerful antioxidant, then the Bronson Milk Thistle might be just what you need. Let's start with the basics. This supplement comes in a convenient capsule form and is manufactured by Bronson, a trusted name in the world of vitamins and supplements. Now, what sets this product apart from the rest? Well, for starters, each capsule packs a punch with the equivalent of 1,000 milligrams of milk thistle, derived from a 9-to-1 extract.
That's some high-powered liver support right there.
But that's not all. It also contains an additional 50 milligrams of dandelion root, which comes with its own set of benefits. So, why is this supplement a must-have? Your liver plays a crucial role in removing toxins from your body and converting nutrients into usable substances. The milk thistle in this product is known for its potent antioxidant properties, helping to maintain healthy liver function. It's like giving your liver a helping hand in its detoxification duties. Now, you might be wondering, why should I trust Bronson? Well, these guys have been in the business since 1960, and their products have been recommended by top medical professionals for decades.
That's a track record you can rely on when it comes to your health. But wait, there's one important thing to note.
This product is all natural and contains flowers. If you happen to be allergic to ragweed or daisy-like flowers, it's best to avoid it.
Safety first, folks. Now, let's talk about value. You can grab a bottle of 120 capsules for just $9.99. That's only 8 cents per capsule.
But if you want to stock up, there are larger quantities available at even better prices.
And remember, there's free shipping on qualified orders.
But don't just take my word for it.
Let's see what some happy customers have to say about the Bronson Milk Thistle.
As you can see, customers love the quality, ease of use, and the positive impact this supplement has on their liver health. Some even noticed unexpected benefits like improved digestion and skin health. Of course, results may vary, but it's always great to hear from satisfied customers. So, there you have it, folks. The Bronson Milk Thistle Silymarin Marianum and Dandelion Root Liver Health Support. With its high potency, trusted brand, and affordable price, it's no wonder it's Amazon's choice for milk thistle supplements. If you're looking to give your liver a little TLC and enjoy the benefits of a powerful antioxidant, I highly recommend giving this product a try. Remember to consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen.
That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you've tried this product before, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time for more product critiques. Stay healthy.